Up to 7,500 pounds of leveling capacity. Air springs fully adjustable from 5 to 100 psi for precise control. Eliminates squat, trailer sway, rough ride and bottoming out. Easy to install with included instructions. Lifetime warranty with 60-day ride satisfaction guarantee. Do not exceed the vehicle's gross vehicle weight rating, GVWR. Offering up to 7,500 pounds of load leveling capacity, the new LoadLifter 7500XL Ultimate Kit from Airlift will make towing and hauling with your vehicle a breeze. With the added stability and weight distribution that air springs provide, you have optimal braking and steering control, creating a safe and comfortable experience. Airlift adjustable air helper springs level your load, and give your truck, van, or SUV a safer, more comfortable ride. The kits are easy to install between your existing springs and the vehicle frame. Just add air when towing or hauling a heavy load, and reduce air pressure when unloaded. They are fully adjustable for a great ride. Airlift air springs eliminate sag, sway, and bottoming out. They are made with rugged, durable components for long, reliable service. All backed by Airlift's limited lifetime warranty and 60-day ride satisfaction guarantee. Top reviews from the United States. Awesome company. This kit is very well made. Instructions are awesome, they didn't leave any detail out. The brackets on this kit are all .250 in steel with carriage bolts. I had help installing this, and for 2 people it wasn't a hard job. With 1 person you might struggle a little, but it can be done. Awesome kit, glad I bought it.